You gotta love that sound. It's Home Team Tuesday when we feature Colorado's best home team members. It's a one-stop shop for all of your home improvement needs, from roofing to plumbing. The idea of a dark, scary boiler room doesn't really exist anymore, and many homeowners are using boilers because they're extremely efficient, and now they're very small. So Brian Anderson from Cooper Heating and Cooling is here to show us the latest in technology. I do have to mention you were at my house a couple months ago, saving us because our water heater went out. You guys were so great that I totally endorse you for everybody else to use you.
Well, we'd like to hear that.
just look for the green shirt. Okay, we're talking boilers today, and my first question today was, who has a boiler these days?
You know, people that have boilers are the people that have radiant heat, baseboard heat, registers, or even in-floor radiant heat. And, you know, a lot of those boilers are just becoming outdated. They're kind of the dinosaurs, old industry, old technology, and very costly to operate.
So you have with you today a very highly efficient boiler. Tell us about how this works.
This boiler is known as the fire tube, and you might hear a lot of buzz about fire tube. Fire tubes are great. They're stainless steel. They're not copper. They're not cast. They're cleaner. This one auto flushes, auto cleans, so that means, you know, there's a lot less maintenance to them.
How long do they last typically?
You know, boilers usually run on about a 20-year cycle.
20-year cycle. So who should call today? Who is a good candidate for a boiler like this?
Anybody that has high utility bills is definitely a candidate. You know, being part of the green team, that's kind of our job, to get in there and evaluate things and see what we can do to lower those utilities. Now, the boiler is probably the #1 gas usage in your house. Okay, so you have domestic hot water and then, of course, heat. So what we like to do is use some smart technology to reduce, you know, your energy bills.
So how can people start saving today? What are the benefits of using this?
Savings today is you're going to be running at 96% plus efficiency. Most standard boilers usually run in the 70s, 80s, just depending on how old they are. As things go on with the older boilers, they seem to lose a lot of their efficiency. With the newer technology, it's straightforward. Standard heating technology gives you nice, comfortable, even heating. You know, so.
And there are rebates available right now?
Yeah,
for
right now, Xcel Energy will cut you a check for $100, and that's always kind of nice.
Just right off the top?
Right off the bat.
And you can give people that information if they call?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. So you guys are known as the Green Team. You not only provide boilers, but water heaters. I mean, it's all about putting efficient use in your home. Yeah,
it's crazy. I mean, we're dependent on fuel. Natural gas is the big one. Natural gas, propane, things like that. So since we have to buy it, we might as well get the most bang for our buck and use it as most efficient as we can. And you got to remember, we're really reducing that carbon footprint that you always hear about by using high efficiency equipment.
And so a lot of people are probably thinking this is going to take a lot more maintenance, but not so.
Oh, no, a lot less maintenance. And the people that have the older boilers know exactly what I'm talking about. This comes with an auto air vent. People always hear weird noises during the night from their boilers.
Right.
This takes care of that.
And you guys have been in business, we do have to mention this, since 1978. A lot of plumbers have stuck with you. You have, you know, you have great employees. Is that what sets you guys apart?
You know, it is. Cooper's just a wonderful place to work. You know, they treat everybody so well. Our customer service is just outstanding, and that's what we really strive for, is that 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Okay. And so what are you going to be offering people today?
It's $500 right off any new boiler installation. So, you know, that really helps out on the pocketbook, kind of gets you going on that payback, you know.
And then you get to the rebate as well.
And you get the rebate as well, direct from Xcel.
So how long does it take to replace this? Because that's what I'm always asking myself. When I call someone, how long is it going to take for you guys to get out there, replace this? Is it going to be an all-day project? You
know, boiler installations can be done in as little as 2 hours to a day.
And how do you know if you need a new one, real quick?
How do you know if you need a new one? One, if it's failing, if you keep dumping money into your boiler, having service call after service call, or if you just basically have a boiler that's just old and outdated and not working properly, it's probably time for a new one.
You don't want to throw money away. You want to spend it on a family vacation this summer, right, Brian?
Exactly.
Okay, Cooper and Heating Cooling has a great special offer for Colorado's best viewers. Call now to schedule your appointment and you'll get $500 off a new boiler installation. Just mention Colorado's best when you call. Call right now to get your $500 off. It's Cooper Heating, Cooling and Plumbing, 303-466-4209, and you can always find them online at coopergreenteam.com. And you can find all the members of Colorado's Best Home Team on our website, coloradosbest.tv. Go there to find heating and cooling experts, roofing, general contractors, anything you need for your home improvement projects. It's super easy.